Hello students, today I brought one question from topic vector for the students of SE. For long question I have brought, the question is in this way, look at here. Prove by vector method that the median to the base of an isosceles triangle is perpendicular to base. I mean the median drawn from vertex of an isosceles triangle to the base, it is perpendicular to the base, we have to prove. For this, look here, the figure. This is a triangle MNP. MNP is a triangle, I mean isosceles triangle, where MN and MP is equal, we can say, and MQ is median. MQ is median to the base NP in this very figure. Look here, MNP is a triangle, isosceles triangle, where MN is equal to MP, MQ is median drawn to base NP. Solution: let MNP is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle let MNP is an isosceles triangle in which MN is equal to MP. MN is equal to MP, and MQ is median. MQ is median to base. MQ is median to base NP. MQ is median to base NP. Since MQ is median to base NP, here we can write NQ is equal to 1 by 2 of vector NQ is equal to 1 by 2 of vector NP. Here NQ, vector NQ is half of vector NP, because median bisect the base. Reason here, right? Since median MQ since median bisects to base, median bisects to base, so NQ, vector NQ is equal to 1 by 2 of vector NP. NQ is equal to 1 by 2 of vector NP. This is the equation 1 unit, NQ. Now in triangle MNP, MNP in triangle MNP, vector NP, vector NP, vector NP is equal to triangular law of vector addition. NP is equal to NM plus MP. NM, vector NM plus vector MP. Reason is what? Triangular law of vector addition. Triangular law of vector addition. Triangular law of vector addition equal to NM. Vector NM we can write negative of NM minus M vector N we can write. NM, negative of NM is minus vector M N plus MP. Therefore vector NP equal to, this is the vector MP and minus vector MN. This is the equation second unit. I mean NP vector is equal to MP minus MN. Vector NP is equal to MP minus MN. MP minus MN we have calculated. Now we have to find the vector MQ. Vector MQ in triangle MNQ. MNQ, a small triangle we have to take. MNQ, in triangle MNQ, MQ is equal to vector MQ. MQ is equal to MN plus vector MN plus vector NQ. This is also triangular law of vector addition. Triangular law of vector addition. Here in triangle MNQ, vector MQ is equal to vector MN plus NQ. This is the triangular law of vector addition. Or MN, vector MN plus vector NQ. NQ from equation first. Look at here. We can write 1 by 2 NP. 1 by 2 vector NP. Here from equation 1. In place of NQ. In place of NQ, we can write NQ values 1 by 2 NP from equation 1 equal to vector MN plus 1 by 2 NP. Vector NP, look at here in equation second, vector NP is equal to MP minus MN. Yes, vector NP is equal to MP minus MN. So here in place of vector NP we can write vector MP minus vector MN we can write in place of NP. 1 by 2 MP minus vector MN from equation 2. From equation 2. Now we calculate this vector MN plus this multiply then 1 by 2 vector MP minus 1 by 2 vector MN equal to 1 by 2 vector MP. Look here, 1 by 2 vector MP. MN and MN, vector is the like term. That's why we must put in one place and we have to add plus when add or subtract, here is minus, then we have to subtract mn and 1 by 2 mn. 2 will be LCM here. 2 by multiply to this mn vector, then this will be 2 vector mn minus vector mn. If we subtract, then 1 by 2 vector mp plus 2 mn minus mn. When we subtract, then it will be 1. 1, it means 1 by 2 vector mn we can write. 1 by 2 vector mn, 1 by 2 is the common. 1 by 2 mp vector plus 1 by 2 mn vector means 1 by 2 is the common. Then here vector mp plus vector mn. 1 by 2 mp plus mn vector. Now np and mq vector came. np and mq. You have to prove mq is perpendicular to np. So in order to prove mq is perpendicular to np, we have to nq dot np is equal to 0. We have to calculate. That's why here now np mq vector mq dot vector np is equal to mp is 1 by 2 vector mp plus vector mn into np vector is mp minus mn. Look at here, mq into np. mq vector is 1 by 2 mp plus mn into here np vector is mp minus mn. That's why in place of np I have kept mp vector mp minus mn. Now equal to 1 by 2 mp vector plus mn, mp minus mn. It means a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. That's why this will be vector mp को whole square means mp square we can write, and vector mn को whole square means mn square we can write, is equal to 1 by 2 mp square minus, again we can write mp square. Why? Because here mn is equal to mp. mnp is isosceles triangle. That's why mn is equal to mp. Here I have written mn is equal to mp. Then reason here write, since mn is equal to mp. Therefore 1 by 2 into 0 equal to 0. So here mq dot np is equal to 0. That's why here at last we can write, since m vector mq dot vector np is equal to 0, so mq is perpendicular to base np proved. In this way we can prove vector method that median drawn from vertex of an isosceles triangle to the base np is perpendicular. I mean mq is perpendicular to np. Here in order to prove mq perpendicular to np, nq dot np is equal to 0. When mq dot np is equal to 0, it means mq is perpendicular to np. Understood? So like this question in SE examination, in long questions group D, 5 mark question is asked from vector, and this is the question for 5 marks. That's why my dear students, at last be on practicing I'll try to support you like this important questions how to solve. I'll put time and again in my video, and I hope you will observe this video and will try to learn well. Okay, thank you.